Tutor Polly here, back with another question, bringing you math fast. We have to differentiate this function m of t. It should be clear that we're doing the product rule because this is a function times a function. They give that to us. Y equals f times g, so we should know that the product rule is the derivative of the first times the second plus the derivative of the second times the first. Let's create our legend of knowledge so that we can identify those things. Well, f and g are given to us, right? And there's limited options usually, so you can't. It's hard to get this one wrong. Often, that's easy to resolve. But now let's differentiate f and get f prime. Let's not forget the 7 on the g, and then let's differentiate g in order to, and using the power rule and the chain rule. Okay. So now that we have all that, we're just going to plug it in. Okay. So it's the derivative of the first times the second plus the derivative of the second times the first. Okay. So at this point, we can do some simplifications here, just trying to do some bookkeeping, collecting these together. T to the first times t to the seventh is t to the eighth. Nothing else changes. What I do notice is those two terms that we could simplify, we're going to factor this out. So if we factor out 3t to the eighth minus 1 to the sixth power, because the second term has that times itself 6 times, the first term has it 7 times, so we can only pull out 6. All right, so we're going to pull out that one. And now the question is, what goes there in the other factor? All right, well, it's the things that are left over. We leave behind, in the second to last line, we leave behind that 1, 3t to the 8th minus 1 to the first power. Okay, we leave that behind. And now we can do a little bit more bookkeeping. We distribute the negative 7, and now we have some t to the 8th that we can collect together. This is about it. You could FOIL this if you wanted to, but this is our derivative.